guys, welcome to Mala's Verse. Welcome if you're new here, welcome if you have been here before. Thank you so much for joining me in today's reading. So, today's reading is going to be for the zodiac sign of Leo. And Leo, we are going to look into what energy is clearing up for you. And before we get into the reading, take a few deep breaths and breathe out through your mouth. All right, Leo. So the energy that's clearing up for you, for that we have the Justice card, which is brilliant because it's all about balance. And we have in the bottom deck energy, Ace of Cups, Judgment, Knight of Cups, and we have the Three of Pentacles. So Three of Pentacles is right at the bottom of the deck, which tells me which to me is indicating is your current energy or currently what you're facing. With the Ace of Cups and Judgment, I do perceive that you listened to, this is like doubling down on soul's calling and what your heart's calling is, and you, especially with the Judgment card here, Leo, you took a step back, or even if it's not a step back, but you did sincere reflection onto your past as to where is this idea coming from, where is this project energy that you want to, the project that you want to pursue, where is that energy coming from, what all inspired you to reach to this place, and also trying to figure out what all skills you already have, what all skills do you need to improve upon, or what all things need improving. May be skills, it may be something else, or it could be just what can basically you add into your kit bag to actualize this dream for yourself. And after the Judgment, we have the Knight of Cups, which does tell me that after the sincere reflection, you certainly have been motivated and you have this desire to actualize this dream into reality, and not in terms of just for your satisfaction. This does seem like a dream that you want to share with the world, want to share with others. And I was definitely getting more so artistic and creative dreams more than anything else. Because it's green, I did perceive some healing capacities or healing energies as well, or you wanting to take into account that if you want to go into alternative healing or not. So that seems a little less, but more so on the lines of artistic or creative endeavors is what I was receiving. So this dream also seems more, I do perceive that you yourself perceive this to be a little too dreamy, a little too out of the box, and but you are determined to share this with the world. And with the Three of Pentacles, and even initially, even with the Judgment also, what I was receiving was three. The number three was coming through strongly, and the energy of Jupiter, which is about expansion, which is about wisdom, knowledge. And I do perceive with the Three of Pentacles, you've been, either you have met people to help you with this project and you basically collaborate with, or um, you are in this energy of you're skimming through people's profiles or whatnot. Basically, you're going through that process of recruiting somebody else. But with the Three of Pentacles, what I'm receiving is you haven't met your equal match. In fact, I do perceive that you might have come across a person or a few people who wanted to contribute, but the energy was not balanced. The ideas were, you may have had a good time in the beginning where you were hitting ideas off of each other, but more than that, what I'm receiving is there was no, a continuum was not being restored, or there was not a flow in your conversations in the work process. There might have been little bit of an ego battle as well, because we do have the Justice card as the energy that's showing up for what's clearing for you, Leo, which tells me that the universe is actually literally just going to bring you the right person, or inspire you to move towards the right person for you and for your project. Someone who is, where, especially the way it is represented in this card, and in this illustration, it's absolutely equal. Even the weighing scales are at the same level. There's no up and down happening, right? So there's divine intervention happening for you, Leo, wherein the universe, your spirit guides, your ancestors, your higher self, anyone you are in touch with or you like to work with or connect with, they are certainly helping you behind the scenes, and there's a karmic balance coming through. There's definitely a lot about work or karma or what you do here, and I do perceive with the Knight of Pentacles. Sorry, wow, I was saying Knight of Pentacles. Maybe you are taking it slow, or maybe you are being asked to take it slow and do a lot of study. There's a lot of thorough study required, and not just study about the subject, but also the study of the energetics of all of this. Just everyone that you include in your team or you want to collaborate with have this Knight of Cups energy in some way, shape, or form, where they genuinely want to be a contribution to the world as well, because I do perceive your energy is also coming from that space. The dream that you want to actualize with the Ace of Cups here seems very aligned with raising the vibration of the world, Leo. So, Leo, that's all that I have for you. Thank you so much for joining. So, basically, the Justice card is the energy that's clearing up for you. There's equality coming in, there's equal energy coming in for you, especially Justice being, ruled by Libra. So, I feel like relationships wise within the dynamics and even thought process wise, your frequencies, what thought forms, what beliefs that you carry are, resonant with you, with your project. You are going to receive someone or receive ideas and inspirations to connect with someone who has a similar energy, especially this heart centered energy. If their heart is in the right place or not, either you're going to get a strong inspiration about connecting with people like those with similar energy, or this person is going to be presented to you by the universe. So, Leo, that's all that I have for you. Thank you so much for joining. Wow, the door opens. So, doors are opening for you, Leo. Um, yeah, thank you for joining, and I hope that this was helpful in some way, shape, or form. Do share your thoughts in the comment section below. Do like, share, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you again so much for joining, and I hope to see you in future readings. Bye bye.